The UK believes a trial to embrace digital securities could protect market integrity. And so in this video, we're going to look at how the FCA and the Bank of England are detailing new policy changes and flexible firm-specific limits for digital securities sandbox participants. Hi everybody and welcome to the latest episode of Enter Crypto with me, Chris Kenyon. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about a trial that's been going on for quite a while. I've covered this once, maybe twice in the last year. So some of you may be familiar with it. Let's just read into the article. It can get a bit heavy, so we'll give it a quick read through, see what we can learn, and then we'll comment after. So the UK's FCA and the Bank of England have officially launched the next phase of their Digital Securities Sandbox. This enables firms to explore distributed ledger technology and tokenized securities within traditional financial markets. The DSS, which will be operational until December 2028, provides a structured environment for testing and implementing DLT applications, aiming to enhance market efficiency, transparency and resilience. The initiative seeks to position the UK as a global leader in financial innovation by fostering conditions conducive to investment and sustainable growth. Divided into sequential stages known as gates, the DSS allows sandbox entrants to progressively increase their level of permitted activity as they advance through each phase. Activities will go live after the Gate 2 stage involving the issuance, trading and settlement of actual digital securities, and these securities are designed to function similarly to traditional counterparts, facilitating use in repurchase agreements and derivative contracts. Eligible financial instruments encompass equities, corporate and government bonds, money market instruments, fund units and emissions allowances. Open to UK-based firms of all sizes and development stages, including both existing financial institutions and new market entrants, the DSS invites applications until approximately March 2027. This timeframe allows regulators and participating firms to prepare for a potential transition to a new permanent regime. This is contingent upon the successful implementation of the new technologies. So what we've got here is a kind of legitimization of digital assets. This DSS, as the article is calling it, directly focuses on tokenized securities, which traditionally, or in the traditional financial instruments world, these would be equities, bonds, even derivatives, and they're issued and managed using blockchain technology in this case. They're not normally, obviously. So while this is distinct from purely decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, MONERO, it does signal this growing acceptance of distributed ledger technology, especially in regulated markets. And so we've got this bridge between traditional and crypto finance. You know, the ability of digital securities to mirror traditional financial products. This in repurchase agreements or derivative contracts, and we've got this kind of blurring of the lines between traditional and crypto finance. And so if this sandbox works and it successfully demonstrates that tokenized assets can work within an existing legal frameworks, that's really important. It's not just, where we release some code in crypto, in the crypto world, we just release code and see if it works. And if it doesn't, someone loses money. The government's not going to let that happen. So, it will have to comply, but it will lead to regulatory frameworks being expanded to cover a wider range of crypto assets, not just Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, in particular. These are all kinds of tokenization, basically. Which is going to create massive investment opportunities for, crypto users in the UK. And for many people out there, this is going to, because, in crypto, we've always had concerns around security, some of them legitimate, some not, volatility, price volatility I'm talking about, regulatory uncertainty. These have all been hurdles for us to try and persuade the normies or the normal people to invest in crypto, use crypto especially. get on board. And so this DSS, or this sandbox, will provide a highly regulated and transparent environment for testing these digital securities. By the end of it, hopefully anyway, it'll boost confidence in these blockchain based assets. And as the regulatory framework strengthens, it'll foster a safer environment for people that are risk averse, individual investors, businesses especially, and things like pension funds who are very risk averse, which could, within the UK anyway, encourage wider adoption. And as this DSS progresses, we're going to have crypto users seeing the emergence of new investment vehicles, such as these tokenized bonds, equities, funds, providing access to regulated blockchain-powered financial instruments. This is tokenization of everything, it's what we've been waiting for years for. So for retail investors, your average person that's in crypto, it'll mean a new way to diversify your portfolios if you wish, with these new digital assets that are tied to real world value and issued by what they would say credible financial institutions. And actually what's good, or one thing that actually stands out about the DSS is its inclusivity. When it comes to companies, because it's open to companies of all sizes, so you're going to have well-established financial institutions right down to fintech startups. So it kind of democratizes the access to this cutting-edge technology. It'll encourage a broad range of firms to experiment with this distributed ledger technology. And this sort of diversity of participants will lead to a wealth of innovative solutions and applications which will help the experiment, or help the trial, should I say. And over time, it'll trickle down. We will be we will benefit from all this, because it'll trickle down to these consumer-facing products in the crypto space that we will probably be using. That's what I've got for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.